Welcome to Saddleman. Thanks for coming. Let me give you a tour of our place. We've been in business for over 30 years, and we're the premier manufacturer of custom-made seat covers. And I'd like to show you a little bit of our process, how we go about making your seat covers from start to finish. The first thing we do when we get a new model vehicle is we take our pattern maker out to the vehicle. We measure the seats, all the different contours of the seats, the consoles, all the small details, even the cutouts for all the controls. And he measures those, makes a prototype, and then I'll show you where we go to make the actual patterns. What he does after he takes the measurements is copy all the measurements to a piece of paper. From there, he takes all the little pattern pieces of all the different unique contours of the seat and makes our first prototype. After the prototype is ready, we test fit it, make any adjustments that are needed, and from there we take it to the digitizing room to put it in the computer. This is the piece that, one of the pieces that we just got from the pattern maker. And what we do is we bring this over here to our digitizing table, set it up under our digital camera, then photographs the piece, and Amy digitizes all of the patterns, cuts all the lines out, all the notches, and puts all the pieces of the puzzle together to create a cut file. And from that cut file, we take it over to the cutting machine and cut the real fabric for all the patterns. Now we're at my favorite part. This is our digital cutting machine. So here you can see we're loading up the patterns that just got digitized from the digitizer. And once the patterns get loaded in this machine, the signal gets sent automatically to our digital cutting machine. We lay out the fabric on the table. It's got a vacuum system that sucks the fabric down, so we've got a nice tight bond between the table and the fabric so we don't get any snags. And what Mario is now doing is measuring out to make sure that we have the perfect amount of fabric on the table for this pattern that he's loaded up here onto the computer. So here you can see after it's cut, all the detail. Perfect cut every time. Center console here, that's where the armrest goes. And you can see a nice clean cut, no frays. Perfect cut every time. These pieces get picked up, bagged for each order, and then next station is the sewing station. So the first step after the digitizing machine is coming over here where we call prep. So each order gets the elastic put on, all the binding put on, and prepared for the sewers. From there, the next available sewer will pick up the order and start putting together all the pieces that were cut from the digitizing table and complete our seat cover. After the seat cover is complete, we move here to the quality control. At Saddleman, quality is our #1 concern. So each seat cover goes a detailed quality control inspection where we check all the stitching, the fabric, the fitment to make sure all the pieces are there and done correctly. So if any issues are found with the seat cover during the quality control inspection, they get sent back to the sewer so they can be repaired to ensure a 100% perfect quality seat cover delivered every time. After quality control, all the orders get placed here and they're ready for shipping. So each order tells us who sewed it, who did the quality control. We scan the barcode, which automatically loads the shipping address into the computer system, so we have no shipping errors. Everything is shipped to the right customer the first time. So every order gets shipped with detailed installation instructions. And if you have any further instructions, our customer support team is always on standby to help you with making sure you have the right fit for your vehicle.